The human element in our industry is key. Every small contribution an individual can do makes a difference. Leadership was a part of my character since a small kid. I was 23 and started my own company without having any financial backup or credibility for the bank. 23 years later, we now have a fleet of 60 vessels and around 1,000 employees. I think it's important that people learn to trust on their own gut. That's what I do and what made me, but also our company, to where we are today. The fact that AEGIR-Marine is very innovative and trustworthy for us was key in choosing to work with them, and we look forward to be part of that growth in the future.